Yes, family, we are live on Revolutionary Cam. I love it, I love it, I love it. We're at the Afrikiko
Come on, get in here with us. Come on.
And we have two of our beautiful brothers and sisters here. Good morning, Ghana. And our sister,
come on. Why not?
Our sister Dolores, she loved this resort. She's it's like paradise to her.
Okay.
How you feeling, Dolores?
See, old people can do it too.
Excellent. Now, what I'm looking at the background. I'm looking at some mountains. I'm looking at the lake. Now, how you taking the scenery in? Is this something you've seen before when you've been in Ghana?
It's absolutely beautiful. It's like paradise. You know, this is the kind of place you come to and you don't want to leave. You see?
Unfortunately, we do have to leave after
you don't want to leave when you come here.
Unfortunately, you have to leave. You got to go. But you must come and see this. This is just, like Sister said, this is a paradise. This is something that you have to experience yourself. You have to get past that book, that text. You have to get on that aircraft and come to the motherland and experience for yourself.
Yeah. It's some things you can't tell. There are not words to describe. If you don't experience it, then,
Exactly, and family, that's what the journey of a lifetime is. The journey of a lifetime is you experiencing Africa for yourself and experiencing it in a way where you're able to get the most of the continent. We were in the capital city a few days ago, and now we're at a beautiful resort. We're able to relax and everything. We're going to take a trip on the boat that you're looking at in the background up Lake Volta to the Volta Dam. That's going to be cool. Then we're probably going to go across and make a few more moves. But you have to be here to enjoy this nice boat ride. I'm going to show you some nice clips and nice video highlights, and hopefully you get excited enough to make a commitment and join a journey for a lifetime.
Yeah.
My brother Ron, what's been the best time so far?
Best time of
on this journey.
The best time of mine is every day has been a best time for me.
Wow, so it gets better every day.
It's the 10 best list, the 20 best list. I count them by the day. It's going up. The best list is growing. And I'm telling you right now, you must come on your own. But Bomani, look at this. Look, this is the largest man-made lake in the world. That's right.
And when you talk about electricity,
right,
you're gonna get to find out more about it. And the hydroelectric dam provides majority of the electricity in Ghana. Yes, and we have our brother Righteous back there. Righteous, how you feeling? Come rock on in the picture. Come on, come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in. Now, let our folks know how you've been enjoying the journey of a lifetime. How's it been working for you? This is like your third or fourth journey. Has it been addictive?
It is. And because anywhere I hear of such journey, I have to come back just to have another experience, because it's always a different experience in every journey we take. So
yes, young soldier, come here.
Everybody to come and have the same experience. A journey of a lifetime for everybody.
And Brother Righteous is correct. That's the only way you're going to be able to feel this journey, is to experience it. Experience is going to be your best teacher. You can watch the video, but definitely keep away from the BBC and the CNN. Those people are fake journalists. They won't even come to the country and back up what they talk about. We family, we're here at an Ebola-free Ghana, West Africa.
No Ebola.
And don't let the demons and the devils get you caught up in the hoax. Family,
and Bomani, look,
nobody should prevent you from doing what you've been wanting to do for your lifetime, which is for you to reconnect to the African continent on a journey of a lifetime. Cruising on this lake right here. Come and buy these wonderful dashikis and look cultural and inclined with the climate. Come on, family. And we have Tracy here sipping on. Oh, you got to come here with a coconut juice.
And Bomani, look at this. We got a young brother represent. Now you got a young brother represent. Our young brother represent.
Okay. We getting our folks early in.
For the USA,
say hello to the people. Say hello to the people.
Hello.
Tell them why they should come to Ghana.
Because it has no Ebola.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah, I love it. I love it. Even my young brother right here knows better than that. So family, you older people should know better. If a young brother like this should know better, come on. Turn the TV off. Go to my YouTube channel and watch all the videos in our Ebola-free Ghana repatriation investment tour. Come on, let me get some more folks that you see. It's not just only 2 or 3 of us. We had many brave soldiers who understood that this was a hoax, it's a joke, and it was not going to stop them from enjoying their journey of a lifetime. Like my beautiful sister here, Tracy. Tell them about what a wonderful time you've been having, and you have no Ebola. None of us have anything on us, and none of us are passing out.
Yeah, if you've ever thought about what Africa is, what Ghana could be, what our heritage is, you should come. Come see it. Come experience the beautiful people, the wonderful land, the delicious food. This is a place to come.
Yes. The coconut on your bunch of
Heal-
bust it open.
Heal your spirit.
Come here, my people. Come here. Come
Know
here.
our past.
I shall let my people know.
Come.
Already over there. Well, she wants me to get on here with the coconut.
Show them the coconut.
I'll be up here
Drink
and help
coconut
us
juice.
out. Come on.
Tell them why you used to drink coconut juice. See, I got all of the coconut drinkers.
Come on, let's all take a sip out of our coconut so they can see us.
Coconut up?
Come on.
Picture or what?
Yes.
Cheers to the coconut.
Cheers to the coconut.
And one good thing about coconut water, it keep you healthy and strong. Yes. Family,
Real deal. Real deal.
join the journey for a lifetime and enjoy all the beautiful luxury of being in Mother Africa. Return to your roots and enjoy your blessings.
Yes.
Woo! Yeah, thanks everybody. Come to Ghana.
Morning, Ghana.